Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am MD Mahabubur Rahman, lecturer in English, Bakra Degree College, Jikorgasa, Jashore. At first, I thank you all to watch my online class. Dear learners, today I discuss with you about modifiers from your second papers. Dear learners, let's know what is modifiers. Please look at the whiteboard. Modifiers. What is modifiers? Modifiers is a group of words or a single word or a phrase or a clause which is used before or after a noun and gives some extra information about that noun. Again, modifier is a group of words or a single word or a phrase or a clause that used before a noun or after a noun and give some extra information about that noun is called modifiers. Okay? Now, look at the whiteboard. Mr. Rahman is an engineer. You see, there is no extra information about this word or this noun engineer. But if we write Mr. Rahman is a renowned engineer, then we see renowned. It is used before the noun engineer and this gives some extra information about the noun engineer, renowned engineer. So this word is called modifier. Modifier. And this word is used before a noun. In the same way, if we write another sentence, Nafiza got a letter. Here we see the noun letter, and there is no extra information about this word letter. But if we write Nafiza got a letter written. Here we use written, and it gives some extra information about the word letter. What types of letter? It's written letter. So this word gives some extra information about letter, and letter is noun and written gives some extra information, so it is modifier. Are you okay? So modifier can be used before a noun or after a noun, and it gives some extra information about the noun. Okay, now we know the classification of modifier. Dear learners, you know there are two types of modifiers. There are two types of modifiers. Number one, pre-modifier, and number two, post modifier. Okay, pre-modifier and post modifier. Let's know what is pre-modifier. Pre-modifier, when the modifiers are used before a noun, then it is pre-modifier. Let's discuss it in details. We discussed about pre-modifier. Pre-modifier. A rolling stone gathers no moss. A rolling stone gathers no moss. A sleeping dog seldom bites. Sleeping dog. They drink polluted water. They drink polluted water. Polluted water. Dear learners, you see, we have written three sentences. A rolling stone gathers moss. A sleeping dog seldom bites, and they drink polluted water. Here you see, rolling gives some extra information about the stone. What type of stone? Rolling stone. So rolling used before a stone, and it is pre-modifier. It is pre-modifier. In the second sentence, you see sleeping dog. What types of dog? Sleeping dog. And sleeping gives some extra information about the dog. What types of dog? Sleeping dog. So sleeping is a pre-modifier. In the third sentence, they drink polluted water. They drink polluted water. What types of water? Polluted water. And polluted is used before water and gives some extra information about water. So polluted is a pre-modifier. Are you clear? Perhaps you are clear. Now I discuss with you about post modifier. When the modifiers use after a noun. When the modifiers use after a noun and give some extra information about that noun, that is called post modifier. Post modifier. Look at the whiteboard. Now I am telling you about post modifiers with examples. Rana saw the girl dancing. Dancing. Students to college early. Learners, notice here Rana saw the girl dancing. The girl was dancing, and at that time Rana saw her. So dancing is a extra information about the word girl, and dancing is post modifier here. In the second sentence, the students comes to college early. Here comes the verb, and early is adverb. You know, sometimes modifiers give some extra information about verb also. So early give some extra information about the word comes. Here comes verb and early adverb. And early modifies the word comes, and so early is post modifier. So dear learners, we have come to know about modifiers. Modifiers is a single word or a group of words or a clause or a phrase that use after or before a noun and give some extra information about that noun. And modifiers are of two types: pre-modifier and post-modifiers. Pre-modifiers, when the modifiers used before a noun, then it is called pre-modifier, and post-modifiers, when the words used after a noun, then it is called post-modifiers. No more today. In my next class, I shall discuss with you several types of modifiers in details, and see you with my next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.